kyei mensah bonsu awie Canada Japan kura eyi na nim say enche bia na yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad bawumia ekopie mo Western region say oye campaign na wey ana kyei mensah bonsu kopie mo Western Diamond wontumi radio eho no bekyerɛkyerɛ say Canada Japan ye ntrofo pa ne nsɛm bi mo na ma o ka say Dr. Bawumia Muslims anto aba mano songofo anto aba mano enam ne sunti a yehwere abato ne hwan ne hwan kyei mensah bonsu no kure bi enni ba bia na ono no oye one of the frontliners of the party no and hwemu na yekoye ya ye de by after yellow election no wanya bia kan na onim de wom de akire de ntia ye do su aba na ye company here enkono Canada Japan no oye part of the program abusia kyei mensah bonsu amfa Canada Japan ho anche no kura waka bia kire ne pa chechem se papa odi ntro jan kontompo na ye good campaign de ntia otumetra se ka kye ba omia se oba ye nche de 1 pp amanyoko kyei mensah bonsu se yembi se Canada Japan se into the constitution of the party no wakan bi penya na abusia ensema ewo mu no edoso pa enti bepese ye ni kanko ne nkotie nsema kyei mensah bonsu ene obeyi egu ho amete se Canada Japan camp eti asemu ya they will remain shocked yankore nkonkotie ne nsama na sesia
me kyerɛ sɛ you much as any one you much as any one we say nipa ne bi ka sɛ o no ye kremoni ye sremoni ntia
far from that
no kwasɛm bi anim reports ni bi ani wa kasa omo ana kasa reports ni bi ani wa kasa asɛm no etoso mienu ebirim so no ye kremoni na kremofo no ni zongofo anto aba ma no anya no kre wo hwɛ okofa results na enya ye no 2020 even though na wo form there but the former woman ni nyina mpo no go and check the zongo communities no vote the whole Ghana 2016 na zongo community your votes no was just above 10%. It was around 12%.
Yeah.
What do you say? Sorry, it was around 22%. Yeah, about 22%. 2020 no. Zongo votes no increase here. Echo about 30%. Now we are trouble even though we lost. Figures never from. Now so go and check the Zongo votes. Zongo communities, you know, police stations are all. We went to about 40%. Yes. Nipa bakunti. You call about 40%. What it means is that if you have climbed from 22 to 30
to 40,
if you repeat the man, it is possible to get to 50% and perhaps exceed 50%.
Okay.
What do you say? So, Nyangrofoni Bika say, oh, yeah, one first vote BMF, Zo communities, Mano, and you know, correct. And you Chris Akra. The Sans Semina, no, yeah, somebody be a Nippon Air Force with Yashima, no question be any. What you say? The Sunday 10 and the question be any media. And ye, a Diana, I can't, you move be a comma say. Still, I'm good Papanechi. The Dicano. MBB, the internal contest.
Sure.
Internal contest na ye corner. Ye party. Sa internal contest no presidential candidates are ye woman. Okay, party na you say the party's constitution in article 13 clause 7. Say ye be presidential candidate. Ye hwe nyema mi ensati true. Idi ka na say nipa na oba party ni mo anyi bia no wadi mfie num. No ke kan ho hye.
Okay.
He should be an active member of the party for at least 5 years. Bawumia, no Bank of Ghana. You are a public servant.
Yeah.
Ghana has a public servants and play active role in any political party.
Yeah.
It is a 2008 Ekufado. Ekofan by a running mate.
You know.
The 2008 Nimbono Babaji Kada. A full member of the party. 2008 ABC 2025 no. If you say any. I 17 years. If you do so. We party say nipa no one year member for at least 5 years bebo. We didn't fear do so on qualify.
Qualify
bro so. ntina de nipa ne bi ka se woro kro bada be no odwe ho a onti ase ye tea party no in 1992 said why ne be ye presidential candidate obey presidential candidate no di 5 years grow party no
dabi also na modern ko
absolutely and yo anybody be is mo kan won nim be mo ko fast answer me free so and we are number 1. The second thing your party constitution is say because that person should be of good character or be a best friends or maybe presidential candidate, you know. He should be of good character. Good character meaning as you saying a cast will be of good character as you saying
be a wosuban papa
or be a wosuban papa bawumia ni suni ni bayin obi a di ho dance obunipa o ka sachire nipa wo susu ho o tema amanipa o brene ho ase bebi okodro no nyina no o brene ho ase hwe akanfo wo kasa bi yesi se wo pese wo hu nipa ni suni ni ban pa manisika na mani tumi entesa
and correct
to me there as a vice president, second gentleman of the land nanka obio bawumia wonka se o sika manebroso na emom sabe ebi okodu ye no from Bank of Ghana to African Development Bank as the head of mission was Zimbabwe osamba back by running mate by vice president fie nwotwe no sabe oni sika manebroso as wo de hwe na yire ne man na busuafo de ya adoye de obi entesa nanso ni nyina echi no obunipa onya hantan anya obi o kasa basabasa eno ntini yemu bi ese sani pa no oseno fata mini ade ndi na party constitution no kase ye the president ni obi ana presidential candidate ye ni suban because you see so be ye the presidential candidate emaya Bonika semno ebeka say obeye role model obeye susudua ma party no so you symbolize the party obeye susudua ma party no nyame boy na beye mampani so dia obeye the role model for the whole country and this ntina wo say wo ma usunu ban di ho adanse what you say tisuban here the third person a party constitution no can and they say was that person should be in good standing no chiremu a o kase obia enema mienu no ka se otua udi usini o levis ni manema but the second leg of good standing or say that person should uphold and project the good image of the party papa yi baby obeko bia obekasa bia no opeja party na munyam asem obeka bia no sabio enya temdidie na enkabo mu asem na woka ananu ya yeto abawie ya sabe yedi nkugu ya na yadwene ya hui so we say ekobi e from IDU International Democratic Union ye sa group no liberal and democratic parties and the conservative parties ye nkabo mu ko no omo ye nhyiamu bi wo Brussels Belgium omo to omo nsa efre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se omegina ho ma African Democratic and Liberal and Conservative parties no enyina niemisa wo masem iwiase niema eko he was a person who was chosen to represent Africa okoye ni someone ye bisa no about national development, about developing Africa, about international trade. Say ewiase dwadie akwan ben o se fa so to improve international trade na afei inso so be affect African countries in Ghana in particular utie na no yia na wo yia nsema na oka minia na woni agisa wo ye bibini woni agisa wo ye Ghana ni woni agisa wo ye MPP ni sani pana ena me kamfo no ama MPP for say ye fa mano ye fa party ye maka nyina ye party no qualification criteria ye nhwe on my moon nyina nso ye constitution ye ka so we on my ye constitution the preamble of the national constitution na hona sasa be wo o se ye de o man hye wonsa also any ma me yensa bi wa buy no say deliver on name me yensa. Number one, also you should deepen the liberties of Ghanaians. A man for family. Womo ked mamen can be rule of law. Also money ye juma. And then yes is na be macho ya. Aba we di no.
Okay.
Na attorney general no akugina afre press conference
no obu obi
ntanchia wo gure ni mase won fa den kokoto wonnam a sabio no wa lower esteem before Ghanaians bi asem no kokoto no ibedi ne na wadi bim
yeah
and he didn't know so yes the rule of law also the yejuma it doesn't mean no was you should create equal opportunities for all Ghanaians. The constitution also no should do that. Equal opportunities and nation you are say kono yen say obia o man bia fapem eye ngomesua anitina ukaya ye ba kememike bia memu Rollins okofa bibia na efe no FQ free compulsory universal basic education o say elementary school basic education ye man ye free no bia ngobi what I say kofo ba ye no na FQ no ho so be shemu kina ene ma kofo okofa capitation grant buy okofa school feeding buy
yeah
okofa mass transit e buy say ye be peja ayi engumesua ne be peja mu kofo equal opportunities is name asan kofa free maternal health care buy e mai kwa wo so ani ewu ene ma kofo de buy or the health insurance buy e kofo do ba na anu yi wo say e bi wiase kono elementary education na any free na eye na mo yepeje mu and any free senior high ku for those buy bawumia obu na chidom no also the free senior high ba ma yen fa bi nto so and any agenda 111 so district bia yema this hospital nko obi yare a on free your friend say wasa and as I mean fi e mata kra di me pe ayare if you been called this bia like I say you are affording development to everybody in each region
okay
and in each district what you say equality of opportunities no and no even no what you say and the dream will be I think the third one our constitution no can and they say also the economy no uti memie musa na be ya e di mpunto be ba manfo abrabom ene o man ankasa so abrabom
okay
so the constitution can never mean one is the rule of law deepening the liberties of Ghanaians, 2 you're creating equal opportunities, 3 is managing the economy to deliver prosperity and then we are saying no economic management no meaning the abefo kwan ye de and only digitalization about me ediaba
okay
anybody be entiase look
obi product dia wo say digitalization
meaning I mean can show last year 2024 the finance ministry will tell you you introduce digitalization na ye person to person contact be brave free ho ports na ye paperless services when me say last year digitalization no nko sika de ma o man na bro 10 billion cedis e bro 10 billion cedis enti wo hwe 2023 a enso a sa concept sa akwan o kire ye no digitalization no e ma o man no 8.7 billion cedis you needed that money ubetua road contractors sika ubetua manfo ka because nya call IMF what you say enti what they go for oil buy what they go purchase agreement buy commending same to Bank of Ghana started say when him gold purchase agreement in yaye if is nya independence Kwame Nkrumah bre ebesi Akufo-Addo time 2022 Bank of Ghana omo gold reserves ana wo nyina no na ye 8 tons.
8 tons. Just 8 tons.
8 tons. He introduced a gold purchase agreement, 2 years, 2022 to 2024. Bank of Ghana was then able to increase its gold reserves from 8 metric tons to 31 metric tons. If you know, bawumia nadwin. Minia, obaye, and your friend is a NDC. Of course, let me also say go for oil no so boy ma ye reserves because can you know who fa usika na de koto oil so me ton cedis we are na $1 or the your dollars now you're building before COVID, you're building reserves close to 10 billion. COVID never higher draw down. Any sika de koto fango no e bi fia bonten ma nintino bi ya ewie na your gold reserves your international reserves are drawn it down to 5 billion. Or introduce you go for oil no. Within 2 years we were then able to build the reserves again such that the FIS 2024 no the international reserves they close to $9 billion. Na being see that say within 2 years which will increase international reserves by 4 billion. That is averagely every year we increase it by $2 billion. What you say? Bawumia gbe on the beka amana. Sani be economy bit me develop we. Ne Saudi Arabia or can be a friend mobile money interoperability.
Yeah.
Oh, say ni si boy. Yeah, financial transactions.
Yeah, bank to mobile money from
mobile
another
money
network to another network.
Minia, very good. Say I make say me ba. Oh, amanoni. And we say na otoni me bi na sika ode kwa yasa. So then call ni bank account or ni na yi won ho.
Okay.
Ni mobile money ni na yi won ho. Ni ID card and ni cell phone won ho. He transferred money to the Momo account and then he's using it to buy stuff
outside the country.
Outside the country. What you say? Enti nia odi aba o manimu no. A create adwuma ba ko sa de no go create a Momo vendors. Say over 900,000 Ghana. Yeah, buy no more 107,000. The adwuma no ko that single idea creating over 800,000 jobs. Mobile money no platform am create am dey no. Just before I hear about was na President Mahama no person yes had be.
Yeah.
They awarded a contract. They were in the process of awarding a contract, I should say, to a group beer. The cost of it, may $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion.
$1 billion.
$1 billion. Mobile money interoperability in the platform. $1.2 billion. But we are by our when we say, go to the president say, maybe, and go for idea of the baby. My Memo Bank of Ghana, near percent status ID. Now the cost on the agreement say he brought in the experts, they sat down. Eventually they were able to create that platform at a cost of $4.5 million. And yeah, $450 million. No, because and they say 1/3. And yeah, 45 million. 4.5. 1.2 billion. Okay, scan a coin. Meaning scan a coin. Can ye can't a car many dear. Keka ho wo bi odo ne man wo bi a on packetas she any proye wo bi a osuro nyame say mabetu we kura me nkoso because wo de sabi e kro no that is Dr. Bawumia.
Okay.
And you omo e be mu no and you hwe obi a ni so ade hunu the vision of the person.
Okay.
Wo hwe ni pakona ni competence ni nim die te saying. This is an economist of international repute. What is here? I say, oh, she ni pakrono, the experience. Nisu yehunu. Papa, why you running mate if you watch? Why ye vice president in fear watch? What the cabinet? You need a cabinet. Assembly ne beba ho. Titru ye sikasem. Na utie nasema all can the contribution oma. Na jweni yesronko. You see somebody who eats and drinks Ghana. He sleeps Ghana. He wakes up thinking about Ghana. What I say? That is the man. When you also know, how may be mununa no yes you know. Obienwa obeno. Then the track record. Ejuma waye. And they say you can't be.
Yeah.
That's a you benefit say. Yeah, unim to no ye digina twino no. And this
yeah.
Say ayeboafo ewufia say okraba bi di ayeboafo na wo kwa hayo na ugo uja no asifia kofa de bi ono wachire by his experience and track record, his personal integrity. Me kanta friends say interoperability ya semni sika ni wumu me ya Ghana fo ye Ghana fo obi so be ya de 1.2 billion wa ko sia no say they meet me aye 4.5 million me I cannot me madwene mu no ya medwene precious e call no so Jack na de na obey 1.2 billion no
ye betimi anya kakra edidi we chire ni ade a
$200 million bi na unyai am yenkoye. It's a reality.
Sure.
And a possibility say obi to fetchira ko hu o say baby minia o mining hu donti misro nyame I can't do this. Won obi a odwene hu ma ni ma odwene nchire ma ho kaja say ye ka Ghana kanka e da ho dwen.
Sure.
So you see, you are looking at this person.
Okay.
Who share the super and the character, the humility. What you say? And even here, what can we mean about more? As you do, this is woman. What can you have more? Bawumia or Demufia. And then and I made it, me dinner, me born who the rose.
Okay.
Ghana for MPP for yan so pay mu. Now, me we hono. Now I can say, Binim so. Na wanya de kranti edne ba enye yi
41.7%.
yes say na me di kan you know it's not the best
Ba wo hwe mo start ya to aba ewukum ya first time a wo ba na I don't say wo ya de well mundi mususu dia man de ba wo hwe aba kwasem aba ya to first time e ba ne vote wonya in fact enya bad sa
na me kire wi
enya bad kra you wo a wonya 37%
ba first time wonya 30% wo mu say ye party no sa amre no we went out to write a book bi an friend
stolen verdict sure
say nyintum say ye ding inkugo one is chinchimi yes am control stolen verdict mebwa
yeah
but by the record already na kinkai almost 30% which we didn't believe we didn't believe because me some men me ko hwe abato so baby ni afre ho ni odubiase
yeah ni odubiase na Ashanti region
ye ko na ye be kan ba no enipa mienu mo fa balo bosses mienu
edugane
omo dugane some men say balance nyina na ye nkan station ne ye collect nyina di ko
qualifications center
ni akoni edubiase assembly how ne be kan no fa no mo dugane ye na me di o mo chimi na me ko hwe abato so amaye wo ye edubiase o me sa wo mo what you say omo di ba ko di odugane ba ko de minya no na ye de ballot so abaye what you say until all these things happened adanse asokwa na nipa wo gina ho amaye no we registrar ewo Legon we assistant registrar wo Legon refi penini din young man bi wo gina ho amaye ono ayi asokwa kromo ho no ono wo ko ho no ni constituency okoma obi exercise book the pool agents obi exercise book say na be ya enko base ye to abana ye be bubu egum se nipa 100 na beto ya ba ye nwie ni ye be kan nipa 200 na beto no ndi obi abeto aba no mo marking so ya beto aba o dey exercise book ma o mo sa ebo ayi 5 o'clock constituency ni nyina o police station ni MPP4 o nyina nkofo koto share mo so exercise book ni kra mo gititi mu we have seen all this before adu wahi ene man nya 30% kofo ba se ne woka no obenya 39%. What you say? Papa by onya 41.7%, almost 42%. Kofo ba ye 39%. 4 years ago no. Utimi first round onya 50%, but onya 49%. Am I call second round?
Yeah.
One males. Second round no. Kofo onya 56%. Am I males onya 43%. What you say? Enintino Yahoo be paying. Even males are maybe the Rollins and Nikofo. Kofo nya 39% no. Rollins enya 57%. 1996.
Yeah.
And Rollins handing over to males in 2000. 2000 no. Rollins is free 56%, 57%. And males they buy 43%. What you say? And this is for 1 to 9.
Yeah, I'm fine to us.
I'm on it twice. I'm to us be the following year or increase by just 1%, echo 44. And this is for 1 to 9. And they call third time in 2008.
Yeah.
What you say? I go for Dubai, and so first time when ya, second time when ya, third time
no winning.
No winning. Joe Muhammad your bar first now by winning no. Or they know 12 mills.
On any 10 years so
mills dia so na mills ewu and I say
sympathy vote bi
ahomobro aba and ye kotoma omom de were even that ne de call
court
court no because now we share electoral commission no amra de ba ya
omani so
John Mahama should not have won the elections. Should not have been declared the winner. Now Supreme Court buama no. Don't forget assembly na Afrejan
eka
abeka say envy okay say asem was it no verification no votes afei and was say if you am verify na ko to aba no a omo hye o e ko to aba no e be nullify be ko to aba no
yeah
na just say wo electoral commission presiding member no won enisa wo mani pa ko no ko to aba
yeah
wo to aba e be nullify ni nyina afei yan ko nullify ya e ko court a chachichi kata se ai na obi enipa 1000 ko gina ba to mu se ko to aba na se nipa mienza verify no ko to andi wo pese 1000 na mo ko gina awie no ko gina mu anye ka na ena bawumia ka se you and I we not there e ma asem ne yeka data commission nim ra ne sesen Samuel na de kwa adwuma to say ye de man ye adwuma John Mahama should have won but Supreme Court ebua man what you say ena Akufo-Addo agitum mu say menemu nya adwen nanso se ne be ya asomdwe be ndi no I'm prepared to tolerate this decision ye de ko 2016 anyame adom ye de wini ye ebia sipen
okay
and it said bawumia enya 41%. It is possible Kufo enya 39 and 4 years whatever we need to be enya 41 almost 42 minia and the chese the money biwa
Mera se ebusafo mene odimunyamfo osei kyei mensah bonsu ono na national campaign coordinator for His Excellency Dr. Alhaj Muhammad Bawumia omo Western Region aprobo china eno mde aprobo nyina ba wieye no mato aso akopiem Accra wona bo Saturday na mo hyase china mo de wie free some hyase Saturday Sunday Monday and Tuesday campaign e kwasai na afi ne yehwe na ye no nkomo no ye famre wieye
minia senya waka no ya hyase fi Amenfi West ene ba Amenfi Central ene ba Amenfi East that was memendana
yeah
if you ho ene kwesiara no kwesiara de ya na asori denti nipa ne bebre kwa asori ya wuntini hyase ntem hyase dumienu ewie dumienu na kwesiara no nso ye ko Prisia Huni Valley if you ho ene ye ko Takwanso Ayim and if you ko Ahanta West that was Sunday ena enra ye call Jomoro and I feel if you call Elembele ni fi e ho call evaluate Ajomoro Jira iwie eno enne edie anope no ye hyase e wo mpoho se ne wa waka no
yeah
if mpoho ne ba kusimintim if kusimintim e ba efia se se otakrade ne ye nan iwie na aka achina so be ye nan
yeah
achina de ne ye Wasa East ne abashama ne abasikado ketem ne ko wie o sekendi
okay
enti se se yiwie na ka nan that far baby akobia no inia ni pansa ne esi huridwa mu ji Dr. Bawumia no omo na ka kire wo se ebusuafo baby edu no se ne amene umienu ya chei MPP abakosem mu no even NDC abakosem NDC abakosem ni MPP nyina no obi ani ho a wako first time wa win it
yeah
kisa okomienu ana miensa 1992 Kufo is the only person wako 2 times I win it Mills wako 3 times John Mahama obetwa Mills de no so o see from no afi ono penny de no on trafie ango 3 times 2016 o de ko bo so anya ye olusu ye no ye sitting president no ye mampeni otiso
yeah
ada Kufo de betwa ne by 1 million votes what you say and this is 400 omo de ne ba 2020 oba 2020 no anya ye no ba 2024 prensa and afi be ye ma no Akufo-Addo say the maka no so the same thing oko 28 no and yen nyina nim say oh that was going to be the first time I break it na anya ye eko 2012 eko 2016 the Bawumia wakoba ko na anya 2024 adenti na wo say
ye to no twene ko fa ni pa fofo
because nia etie ne say obi ani wa ko first time I win it to so say Bawumia na ko fa ni pa foforo ba make say wo MPP for no moja atum say
better opposition
ye better opposition ke say ba ye koto de ekolusu ndi en fo obi anko sente sadia why change the person wabɔ no ho mmɔden sɛ I would say ɛnyɛ nneɛma a ɛbɛsisi yɛ akɔ mu a medical aka ho asɛm no a me ɛde wɔ ahe ne campaign na me involve paa 1992 na me involve paa then yɛba ɛfɛ ne sɛ President Kufuor ɛso na metete mu paa Kufuor do na me deeply involved Bawumia na me deeply involved. I will tell you say in the history of this party me hunu ye presidential candidate bia why ye campaign den pass Bawumia da me hu bi sada
honorable
yes me hu bi sada
not even another than Kufuor at the time
no me kase as an individual
okay
hwe Kufuor time ye call platform so e adwuma ye call platform so a hye we be kase wono man for be kase wia wono be kase platform so be at 10 minutes probably 15 minutes ni apon say na Kufuor do the net ye ya hye we be kan we Kufuor do be kase at 10 minutes
no wie
Bawumia is the candidate maybe e be ko bia no menua he was speaking for more than 1 hour the platform so o kasa for 1 hour na answer na no na ebia ye ne ayi say the heads of faith-based institutions one ye ne nananom koshia na fi ye ne sorry for man no for no so akoshia oh constituency bia
okay
to ko ye 2 meetings as na your platform so every constituency na boko ba bia no nananom no mbekasa no mbekasa be 15 minutes one faith-based institutions so because about 15 minutes that's about 30 minutes na sanya ko platform so akokasa that is 1 hour because on the name say no ending and he was the arrowhead on the piano no on a oye nti baby I be ko bia that was Bawumia speaking na me so crash we break it down but the man has tremendous energy oh to me
kakra ya me di mo chitre constituency me just ma hojo you come me nkasa
wa wonkasa how the name ho kwa what you say and that is him and tibinia ahode papa ne yele nkasa me hu bisa da
okay
and he's doing well for the party
okay
na yensoro mu na yemfango that is not to say a democratic party and say obia bemu a enye hwe
okay
the hard drink akra ne say na say behwe na nipa ne bia na wo say obenya akwanya say oni Bawumia ho no onipa fro ho
be kasa yie no
be kasa yie de boni nua no odi na chi ne hu dawro no wo he no nya platform no so obi ye nyina ye no nyina bia ka ye na say yi kramba me ko papa yi ho asem na nkrofo bi ayi Ghana aturenchema to yen ama ye ministers bi akohwere wo nkwa helicopter crash ba ye na makọ baby me ko kasa ho na me ka kire me yusha for say wo mama wuo no sabi omunye NDC ministers they are ministers of state for the Republic of Ghana the Ghana fo nyina na yahwere yasoafo omo anum ka so jafo omo ka ho no omo ya military officers for the Republic of Ghana omo I ka ho no omo ministers no they all died in the service of Ghana tie so ne mompaye ma omo so nyame ma omo baby pantra na nyame kro no anso hwehwe emfa nsan tobusuafo omo ja omo wachire ne mompaye ma omo no ye firi no bia koto social media say mensah bonsu omo omo no ye fa omo who say how can human beings be nipa ni bi omo adwene ye omo say no okotwe sa to kese dia to so or they offer Joy FM omo for logo or they to so joy for na issue statement Joy came out with a rebuttal say if you omo ema omo kra na me interview omo ko twe adena na maye no omo ko fa de be say mensah bonsu ankasa akwa ne fa ne still CCA cry still shares that what you say they go can say MP before your police station for no womo yenhwe omo yi na your constitution say omo na also me house to house campaigns anya bawumia na ye no obey house to house campaign o
dabi
constituency na constituency chairman kwa no so
coordinators na adwuma
polling station executives na adwuma
but they are not doing it
no sane wo say
they are not doing it
sir ana me kyerem say but they are not doing it they quite be so they are motivate them to do it and we should do that because omo adwuma no omo abandon what you say ana me cancer radio so say they make me no kay o na radio tv say ayi bi na me ko cancer angel come say oh we are no bia ko chose chairman za bonsu say police station executive na useless the best thing almost secretary said we be say he for no was not the by uni just like thinking what you say
okay
so na bi e ka bi e fi bawumia so they say obi kwa kan say oh na yele kwa nya gana ni papa
ai
enrei obi unyi bo unyi sabi ani da so bawumia mu na woni da so ni papa furu mu a ko kana ho aseme unya akwanya ozo bawumia no kra oye outsider ufi abonten na aba what say akwa and a man how can you say that
about bontia we chem say wan kasa
what ye interview no
metie bi
interview no o kan say
ono se baby odi free besi ye na manfo je na no see but slave no there so outside and there he said it so
precisely
outsider
what you say
very very unfortunate statement
very unfortunate statement me nua ye nyesro obofo nya kasa me meti a me kan nyina no me nyesro obofo enso so me so o me ho tibia na akoka sem bi da bi na amanfo antes misremo we dey someone ntese na ma misremo mo fanche me any person ye kasa na be gina ho justify ne wo kan ye no when in the tape no wo say oye outsider no oye manfre oye obefrai mu oye manfreni what do you mean by that enia lesremo enya ekwan se
ye kasa
no mama ehonte ye be wie no ebusuan ba ko ne wo say MPP for ye tie ase ne say menua ye to ba bia ye MPP for no ye ne ahoden edimi ma tumi ni ma ye ho
dabi afoforo de ka ho
ki se unya floating voters ne be ka ye ho te se wo ankasa wo no ahoden mi ntimi fa tumi ni ma wo ki se wo ko pe floating voters be ka ho no se wo wotiti wo musa ne nipa ne bi ye sese ya na ke se wo bo amana ma ye se ne ba woni no unya tumi o na sanso a emoye
me da se
di na wo se kasa se mature people wọ́n sẹ́ kasa sẹ́ yẹn ni adwin party no ẹ kasa sẹ́ yẹn ni a yẹ wọ́n man ho dọ̀ ní ẹ pẹ́sẹ̀ tumi no ẹ bá yẹ ho bi wo náà tètè mu sẹ́m ní àti ndíye sẹ́m no ní ntwato so sẹ́m no yẹn nyi ntọ́ ntwene sẹ́ni ẹ bá yẹ wie ne sẹ́ yẹ kẹ́hìn hɔ bọ́ mu a ayẹ mmerɛ abayɛ.
yɛ kɔ interview ni yɛ de si a wɔ kasa so nko bi message bi ɛde ma delegate for na ebia na wɔanya platform ni yɛ ankasa bi kɔmisi yɛ bɛto aba no message bɛn special message bɛn na de ma ɔmo bɛto aba 31st January no
omenia some day ne maka no say ayi minu bia ofiri mu ya me fa ne kra nsie yi ne frɛ no Chematin agyapong oye MP ewo ayawaso o kana simbi onne ka se bene sentiase asem ne da hɔ also what they said the whole plane so in the parliament near the whole plane what you say
anyway
minia asem no ani da hɔ and benefo say sa asem aye ken die say yemfa ayi akofona no yemfa nhye Dr. Bawumia ensem no mfa enkokon no mayoni animu say osahene mfa yenko ekon no kanya dia wo say ye ka ho asem kra ma no aye de benefo say ka wedie ka yentu agina ene egua what you say because say ne maka susudua party nankasa susudua so he should be a person in good standing, he should be a person of good character. Back national constitution so nyema also ye titru ni say but machinchim economy no amana ye
na mafo nya so mfaso and it's how they create equal opportunities they why the experience, the vision, the competence, the track record na ho fama the personal integrity
ni deep thinking na dwi mu edo minia ifa odamu fura ye message delegates ni say
okay
bi o ha okotwa loto bi a wo ho say we dey abe menko try be hwe bi o so we dey o si too sure be wa
yeah
isremo say ne nim no but for say the nim no awia no yen so kan ya nhwe ni manajo papa we yi MVP for mo mayen lusu no na ekire bi akoka say
yanka
this is the best president that we never had. What you say?
Yeah.
Yen suru mo yin na baba. Yen fa ne kokon na me se nyame we ebe yi.
Okay.
E dia akoma pani adwem pa. E di akire. E di tekrema panso di akire bo no da bu ya. Obedi nkunim. Nim se nyame aye wi.
All right.
Na de meni abra ye ni abre ni na no yese kunim die no ebeba no ne bia the margin of victory no be ko bia be 70%, 75-80%. Yes ebema enka abomu no enye den maye.
Okay.
The Mr. Bushafo.
All right.
Say ono no kana sembi. O say obi o ha na bebe ko no bebre zanete was an brenka me be we de mini yasem ne we na odi ni campaign anim no tira me se na me fi nachi bawumia wa kana sembi was minua so no obi wa asem ma
me de se me
ni asem enti emfa aba no afaso de bodi boko no emfa be bomme e se ma brabo se bu chef say ye ni ne krema no ye na nso no mu ye mpia no nko wakoma pam ni odomu
sure
me say nyamne enam no so ebe sakra o meyi o kwan so nko so de tu minima no a ye nyina be hu do betimi aya magana ama MPP no kra no yo be ye no ebe ma MPP amemo na be so nko se afei MPP no be ya kono se the MPP thereafter will become the party of choice.
Okay.
Ama afei bi because say ye hunu ntemu anka ye de ba ya ka omano ayi ya che
me da se for me o dem for say mensah bonsu and ebon komo is the national campaign coordinator for His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia na program dia ba Western region ha e kire de ba wie na ebon komo na Western regional coordinator Ura George Mrekudu kase o chia pa ni Isa Fuseni omo so omo enjoy omo show pa na omo ya de wakasa kama pa nyame sun show na bibia anya fine ibu onso me da se pa se ode former minister de abefie I want to ibu that you know we had papa okrum you had papa
Western region
you know
asda ye da message e do ma kire
okay
omo amunsi ma dwempi no mbi before amunsi ma dwempi no esre ne de ma wo ma se ne de ma wo mo se ne ye ma akofo to an so biu no
ye nyema Dr. Bawumia
ye ma akofo do to an so biu
ye nyema Dr. Bawumia
even within NDC no ye ma Mills omo ye ma
John Mahama omo ye bi ma
ye nye bi ma
Dr. Bawumia
because ya nyere sa ne ko pa ni pa furo ba ade ne pa ko no ko yi musuo kwa ya tu mu se enko yi ne ko yi mu ya twa no so a
ebeboa
na ebeboa ndi tumi na bre nyame hira obi a